convert your money to dollars or whichever currency you want to trade with. That's why we need a broker. Then after putting your money into the platform, now what next? You need to start trading, right? So you need, that's where the MT4 comes in. MT4 and MT5, they are the same thing, but this is an upgraded version to this. So don't get confused. Both of them are the same thing. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So that's where it comes in. That's the platform where the trading happens proper, like where you open, you close trade. That's the MT4. Then the last part is the funding. So you have to fund your MT4, your platform, whichever broker you're using. We have a lot of brokers, but as a beginner, there are brokers you need to trade with that will help you gain profitability, because not every broker wants your success. Bullish candles.
Yeah, the bullish candles, the ones that open at the bottom and close at the top. Alright? Then we have the what? Bearish candles, right? You can see them pushing the market down. So when you have these candles, I mean, once you look at the chart, you know, okay, from here, it started moving up. From here, it started moving down. Now, you see these spikes on these candles, they are called the wicks.
What the analysis I did here, if you look at the analysis very well, you will all understand that I am actually reading this one to get the whole of this, which is 1:6.
Okay.
So if I'm reading $100, I should be expecting about $600. And this also comes in you know, calculating your risk properly. So
It's coming. It's not because the market is going your direction, you have to remain in the market. You leave. Because the news can come and change the direction of the market entirely. You will not expect it 2 seconds, it don't happen. You get? So in some situation where you know you're not too sure that this will continue with the trend, you leave the market and wait for the news. And as beginners, you don't jump into the market once the news is on. You first wait for confirmation, like what he analyzed. You wait, if he gets to this place, I'll buy. If he gets to this place, I'll sell. Because as a newbie, you fit think, say, as the market, they go up, that's how it's going to continue. You don't know there is news in 5 minutes time. In 3 minutes, there is news. In 10 minutes, there is news. You forget yourself and keep enjoying the profit. You can trade news. You get? But you don't just start trading immediately the news starts. You get? So you wait and observe it first. You get? Sometimes depends on the kind of news. They have their movement. So it can go up first before it starts coming down, or it can spike down first before it starts going. So, but you don't just enter because you see it going up that time. You get? So it might be a fake out. Make everybody jump, enter. They go leave una there. They go where they want to go. You understand? So when a news is coming, first of all, you observe the market, which is what we are going to do. He's going to take us on the news. CPI will soon be on 2:30, right? So 2:30, you see what the way is going to move. You get? This now is crawling, but when the news hits the market, you see the movement. So in that news, a lot of people will lose or a lot of people will profit. Depends on your analysis and your setup. You get? Then secondly, there is a struggle. He taught us on how you can calculate your stop loss and your profit and the lot size. There's another way you can go about it. Instead of putting those things, you first take the trade. When you take the trade, then you modify. Count 20 pips or count 30 pips. From there, you put your stop loss. Then you can determine what you want to use for your take profit. So that's another way you can do it. But the more risk management level is what he taught you. Like you do everything.
At this point, people are on the buy here. People took a buy at this point and their stop losses are resting below the zone. Right? People are on the buy here and their stop losses are resting below the zone. Right? And so because of their stop losses, market makers that are drawn to their stop losses, market makers, they just like taking people out of the market. Whenever they want to come into the market, they want to take people out of the market in order for them to move price to the direction they want to move price. So these are liquidity zones. So for me, Yesterday's liquidity has been taken out. This is previous high. The liquidity resting here, people's entries were taken out because so the fourth figure is the one that matters. That matters most. So I don't know. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it is.
All right, you're one of the participants for the ProbabaFX and Trade Nation FX Bootcamp. What has been your experience?
It's been nice so far. I earned a lot.
Oh,
Learned,
you earned,
yes, learned,
you learned too.
enjoyed myself, had fun,
That's
and
amazing. How much did you make?
I made about $130,
What was your capital?
150. So I made extra 130, which together it's 280.
That's amazing. So, how do you feel about it?
I feel good. I feel happy.
Oh, okay, okay. So, being the platform you use, Trade Nation, what do you have to say about the spread and the platform in general?
Everything is nice. The fact that they even gave us a bonus, and the thing went well. It was no stress.
All right, young man, can we meet you? What's your name?
My name is Family Felix.
Okay, I can see you're one of the participants for the ProbabaFX and the Trade Nation FX Bootcamp.
Yeah.
How has it been for you?
It's been a good one, refreshing moment as an FX trader to upgrade your information to be a better trader, you know.
Okay, so what's the keyword? What's the key thing you can tell the upcoming traders out there about bootcamps?
Bootcamp is a place to upgrade your information, also help you to network, to get to know your community. You know, forex has to also do with having a community of like mind. So bootcamp is just an avenue that brings people together of like mind, share ideas, and get better in their field of career or profession.
That's true. So the broker you use, what do you have to say about it, Trade Nation?
Trade Nation is a good one. They have a very tight spread, and also their deposit bonus. It's amazing to help you to leverage on your trade and make good profit out of it.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So we can't wait to have you again. And thank you very much for coming. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the wrap of the FX Bootcamp organized by ProbabaFX and Trade Nation. It was amazing. A lot of coaches were around to give us insights and also call out trades that made us profit. Man, it was refreshing, it was fun, and it will be coming your way soon, probably every month, I don't know. So whenever it hits you, make sure you make yourself available, and what? Let's milk it.
Yeah.